Everyone, in this video I am going to show you how you can set up your brother MFC-J5855DW printer to your computer wirelessly. So if this is a brand new printer, you can do the initial setup by following the quick setup guide that came with the printer. So this is how the quick setup guide look like. You can unpack your printer and then you have to load the paper, load the ink in the printer, and then also print the alignment page and check the the print quality. So once this is all done, you have to connect your printer to the network and download the driver on the computer. So to do that, you need to go to the website support.brother.com. So once you go there, you will come on this page, and then you can click on the downloads. When you click download, here you can enter the your printer name, which is MFC-J5855DW, and click search, and you will see the printer here. This is your printer, and from here you can select your operating system and the version of the operating system. Like in my case, I have Windows and then Windows 11. You could also have a Mac or any other operating system, including for the cell phone also you can download the software, whether for the iOS or for the Android. So this is how you can do that, and I'm going to select Windows 11. So if you have Windows 10, you can select Windows 10 and click OK. Now you can see here the link to download the driver. I will recommend to download the full driver and the software package. This will download also the other brother printer driver tools and other software tools that you can use to scan your printer, scan the document from the printer to the computer, and also it will help you to update the driver and troubleshoot your printer in case if you have a problem in the future. Now to download this software, you need to click on this one and then click on agree and download. So when you click on that, you will see the file will start downloading at the top right corner. Even if you have any other browsers, like I have a Google Chrome open, so you can also use any other browser. So once it's downloaded, you need to click on that and run the setup file. Okay, so it's downloading right now. So once it's downloaded, you have to double click on that file. It will start the setup of your printer to your computer, step by step guidance, and then it will also help you to connect your printer to the network. I will also provide you the link to the driver and for the easy setup guide in the video description, so you can find the link from there and follow the instruction. If you have any problem, you can also contact me. I'll also put my contact number in the video description. Thank you so much for watching. You have a nice day.